Hey, what's up guys? So we're on our day 14 of learning grade 1 kanji here in Japan. Alright, so let's go and start it off with our first kanji. First kanji is grass, weeds, herbs, and that's kusa. Alright, that means grass. Second kanji, large, big. Alright, this is also used in the prefecture of Osaka, and that's the first example that we have or that's the first related kanji here, and it also means big, so oki, it's also used for that. And we have daigaku, college or university, right? And then the third example is taihen, which means very greatly, difficult and hard, mostly in the negative part. That's taihen. Okay, so third one, we have kanji for leg or foot, ashi. All right, first related kanji is fusoku, insufficiency, storage, deficiency, lack. All right. Second is the opposite, or almost the opposite of that, is manzoku, which is satisfaction. Okay. Third example is ashimoto, at one's feet or underfoot or step. All right. And fourth kanji for today, last one, is mura, which means town or village. Right. And the example is murabito, which is a villager. Kanji for mura, or the town or village, and then the kanji for a person, hito. Here you go. And example for today is Osaka no murabito wa yasashii desu. The Osaka's villagers are kind. Osaka's villagers are kind. Okay. Second one, kusa no takasa wa watashi no ashi made desu. The grass height is up to my feet. Alright, so there you go. There you have it. Our day 14 learning kanji grade 1 here in Japan. Thank you for watching.